Hello everyone, today we are at JK Business School, Gurgaon, also known as JKBS. The school is located on Damdama Lake Road in the corporate capital of Gurgaon and is well connected to road, rail and air. The school was established in 2006 and is promoted by one of the leading sector groups, the JK Group. It also provides AICTE approved management courses which follows industry interface and foreign collaborations.
The JK Business School Gurgaon is ranked 24th amongst the top emerging B schools of excellence in India, as well as ranked 5th in Haryana top B school by GHRDC CSR Survey 2014.
JK Business School is known for the legacy of 130 years behind them. JK Business School is known for three differentiators. The first being tech savvy. We use technology, we leverage technology to its fullest extent to ensure that our students are tech savvy. JK Business School is also known for being corporate savvy, whether it is the case study in the classrooms, whether it is guest lectures, whether it is corporate coming and interfacing with the students, whether it's students traveling to outside seminars. The third differentiator we have is learning beyond classroom. We believe that more learning takes place outside the classroom than that takes place inside the classroom.
In continuance with providing excellence in education, JKBS offers courses with a student-centered pedagogy, value-added job-oriented courses with inputs from industry mentors for a holistic student development.
We as a team are endeavoring to see that the quality that we produce is of very, very high class.
The flagship courses of JK Business School include PGDM in Dual Specialization, which is approved by the AICTE, BBA, which is affiliated to MDU Rohtak, BCom Honours and BA in Economics Honours.
I have 7 years of experience in IT. I decided to quit my job to improve my career in management. When I joined this college, I found that there are faculties which are from IIM Ahmedabad and IMT Ghaziabad. And we have many entrepreneurship workshops organized by CEGR. And there are many corporate leaders from many big corporate giants like ex-Vodafone CEO, TVS Lanka marketing head Hassan Hapudantri, and many giants like AICT director Manpreet Singh Manna.
We take them out for something called the Banyan Tree program, in which they have outdoor activities, team building, leadership, etc. They go to the malls to understand what marketing is all about. They also have various programs in which they are given, say, a nominal amount of money and how to make more money out of it. It's a one-day exercise. There is a special emphasis which we have over here on communication and personality development.
JKBS has well-equipped classrooms with projectors, library, gymnasium, hostel for both boys and girls with mess facilities, as well as extracurricular activities like sports and singing, dancing, dramatics, etc.
I have opted for this college as I have heard a lot about the JK Group. It is a leading institute, and when I came across this college, I just chose this college immediately.
Safety is the main concern for the girls, for everyone and for me also. And JKBS focuses on the safety a lot. So that's the reason I selected to stay in the hostel.
JKBS also has tie-ups with CII for strategic corporate social responsibility and foreign university tie-ups, which include paid student exchange programs.
International collaborations, we have tie-up with 2 universities around the globe. We select meritorious students, send them to these universities for study in one full term. For example, we would be sending about 10 students this year to California State University. So in turn, what we are trying to do, we are broadening the horizon of our students. We are making them global managers. their thinking and approach to managing business will be global in nature, and thus they will be far different than students from any other college.
Besides academics, the college focuses on leadership, team development and building, risk management, planning and strategizing, decision making, creativity, interpersonal relationships, stress management and effective communication.
We got to send young boys and girls as leaders who can manage well and not just managers who cannot lead. So keeping that in mind, we are producing change agents here in the college.
We not just teach our students, we nurture them as plants to be very successful and good citizens of this nation.